Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing hardware and access. Confirm the HSPA USB modem matches your OS and carrier bands, and you have admin rights on the computer. Insert the SIM with the correct orientation, enter the SIM PIN if prompted, and charge the modem at least 20% so firmware flashes won't fail. Once done, plug the modem into a stable USB 2.0 or 3.0 port. Make sure the system recognizes new hardware before moving to driver installation. Next, install the vendor software or drivers. Run the supplied installer and follow prompts, granting permissions as required. If the OS offers built-in drivers, choose the vendor package for full feature access. Allow any firmware updates because updated firmware often resolves stability and network issues. After installation, open the connection manager, enter the carrier APN and any username or password, then save the profile. Once configured, test connection in airplane-free environments to see signal and registration status. Finally, connect with the saved profile and observe signal strength and registration. You should see HSPA or HSPA Plus if the tower supports it. If it fails, make sure SIM is active, toggle airplane mode, and try a different USB port or a 1/2 meter extension cable to avoid interference. If problems persist, check the connection manager logs and carrier provisioning. Sometimes network authentication or a blocked IMEI is the culprit. One troubleshooting tip: test the SIM in a known working phone to isolate modem versus network problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.